Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a crochet popsicle cozy, and I used an eye hook and medium worsted yarn. The pattern is down below. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to slip knot onto your hook and chain 3. And then you're going to yarn over, insert your hook in that first chain, and create a half double crochet 6 times. Then you're going to slip stitch and that beginning half double crochet, chain 2, and work a half double crochet in that same stitch. Work another half double crochet in that same stitch, and then work 2 half double crochet in each stitch around. So each stitch gets 2 half double crochet. Slip stitch into that beginning of that on top of that half double crochet, not the chain 2 but the half double crochet slip stitch. Then you're just going to repeat, work a chain 2, and then you're going to half double crochet in that same stitch, and then each stitch around gets 1 half double crochet in each stitch around until you get to the beginning. When you're at the end, you're going to slip stitch on top of that half double crochet, and then chain 2, work a half double crochet in that same stitch, work a half double crochet in each stitch around. Just repeat that. You can repeat that up to 10 or 11 rounds depending on how long you would like it for your popsicle. Now you're at the end and it's complete, and you're going to chain 1, slip stitch, and then chain 1 and pull through. And then you're going to weave in your ends and your cozy is complete. Also, you can work in continual rounds without the slip stitch if you like, so you don't have a seam. That's up to you. And I felt like the popsicle fit into the cozy with a little bit of room, and so if your popsicle is bigger, you can always make this bigger by increasing your hook size, or instead of 6 half double crochet you could do 7. Just depends on how big you need it or you would like it. These popsicles that I did find were just basic popsicle sticks, just a couple inches across, from Walmart. Okay, so this is all complete, and then when you're finished you just cut off your loose ends and you're all set. Okay, it's all complete. This is what it looks like. All right, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe.